Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jim, and today I'm going to put my official entry into the burgers and beer group build being sponsored by Tim Nolan. And with that, here's what I've got. This is a DM800 Mack in red, white, and blue. And I'm going to bring you down, we're going to unbox it, and I'll tell you a little bit more about what I did in the past. And here we go. All right, here it is. Let's cut her open. I wanted to open this if I got it. All right, so this is MPC 1/25th scale Mack heavy duty DM800. Got two large chrome trees. We'll open them in a moment. Let's see. That's a cab. Here goes all the tires. We'll have to cut the centers of the tires out. Otherwise, they look pretty good. They're all Goodyear. Rear fenders. There's the two-piece folding hood. Front radiator, not support, but protection. Here is the front fenders. Looks like that's an intake manifold, came off the screw. Here's the Mack engine, V8, cylinder heads, some rims. There goes the glass, I'm going to leave that in there. So back in the middle 70s up to 1980, I actually used to paint these exact same color. Here's the interior bucket. I didn't do many of these DM models in red, white, and blue with the stars, but I did a lot of R model Macks and a few DMs. Did a few cranes in red, white, and blue. This is already molded in black, but I will be painting the frame blue because that's what we used to do. One air ride seat, one regular seat. Looks like a pretty straightforward kit. Yeah, this brings back a lot of memories. I painted Mack trucks for over 20 years. Let's see what's on this one. There's the radiator. Some more wheel hubs. Some more engine parts. There's the frame rails. They look pretty straight. Two rear differentials. Suspension, leaf springs. Here goes some hose. That's probably air line. Here's the decal sheet. There's all the stars. Basically, I will be painting the stripes on. I will not be using the decals. At least I'm pretty sure I won't be using the decals. Stars I will be using. Only because it's tough to cut out stars in these little ones. Good looking decal sheet. And the instruction booklet. Doesn't give a year on this because they made these the same for many years. As normal, starting with the suspension, then the frame. Engine. Onto the cab. Fenders, which used to fold out. Hood in here where it had two little clips that clip to the top of the radiator and to the front of the cowl. Were tiny clips, only that long, made out of brass. This hood here, I don't know what, I forget what it weighed, but it was heavy. Those clips did not last, especially in a construction demolition site. I don't know how many of them I fixed. The hoods got to be such a problem that on the right side of the hood, I actually designed and cut out a panel that could be lifted so they could check the oil without lifting the hoods. Should have patented it. Came out great. We had a ton of dump trucks in this configuration. I'm excited. Been a long time since I worked on a Mac, whether it was 1:1 scale or 1/25 scale. Looking forward to this group build, and that's my official entry. Until then, I will see you on next video, which will be an update. Well, let's open up the Chrome, take a look at it. Fuel tanks, battery box covers. That's the trays and that's the covers. There's two of them. Looks like steps. Saw stack shield. There's a stack, air cleaner. Mirror brackets and mirrors, some parts of the engine. It's like a steering box. Nice, looks, no flash almost. Here's all the rims. I wasn't going to use chrome rims, but they look pretty cool. We used to paint the hubs blue and then the outside of the rims white. Air tanks. The AC unit. Shifters. Depending on how many speed it was. The dual shifter. Fifth wheel. Oiler. Front of the engine's chrome. A lot of chrome parts on the engine. Nice chrome bumper. There's a grill guard. The size of that oil pan. Very nice. Can't wait to get started on it. Well, it doesn't tell you a whole lot about it. What's on the outside of the box? You should open up the most important part, the hood. I mean the cab. A little bit of flash, not much. It's pretty clean. Very cool. So the engine is a turbocharged 865 Maxidine. Mack's new super torque producing 325 horsepower V8 with Maxitorque TR 1078 5-speed transmission. And with that, this will be my second official What I Buy Wednesday. First off, I'm going to say I bought this Revell 71 Olds 442, which I hope it's not damaged. I don't think it is. And I've been wanting to build one of these ever since I got back into this hobby. Mainly because I owned one. And to this day, I'm sorry I sold it. I built this from a junkyard car. And I don't even want to tell you how much money I wound up putting into it. But it was well worth it. I showed the vehicle for over 10 years. Won over 165 awards with it. And then I got a little tired of it and I wanted to get an old hot rod. So I wound up selling it. And to this day, like I said, I regret it. The guy I sold it to, he actually took it a few steps further than I did. And I'm happy for that. He loved the car. So this is the kit that I bought. Now on to this. Over the 4th of July weekend, Tropical Glitz was running a sale. And they had $2 off a bottle of their paints. So I got 9 bottles of candy colors. I got blue raspberry, sangria, candy apple. I got 2 candy apples. Violet candy, Fanta orange, Loki green. Green, I haven't never done a car, so I'm going to try that. Here's the other candy apple. Sun Glow candy. And purple flare. I just used them for the first time on my 55 Chevy and sprayed really great right out of the bottle. And I'm looking forward. Like I said, I couldn't beat it. And as far as candy colors go, they go a long way. It's not like a regular color. And that's about it. And that's my stash on What Did I Buy Wednesday. Until then, peace. Hope everybody's well out there in model land. And take care. I will see you on the next video. Bye.